Hi everyone and welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial we will see how can you fix your MSI monitor OSD which is locked. So here's a guide to unlock the buttons or joystick as well as reset its control. Fix 1. Unlock the OSD. Press and hold the menu or joystick button for about 10 to 15 seconds. Release the button and check if the OSD is unlocked. Restart the monitor. Turn off the monitor, unplug the power cable for 30 seconds, plug it back in, and turn the monitor on. Fix 3. Check the buttons. Make sure the joystick or control buttons aren't stuck. Clean around the buttons if needed. Fix 4. Reset the monitor. If you can access the menu, go to Settings, select Reset or Factory Reset. Confirm the reset. Fix 5. Update the firmware. Check MSI support website to see if a firmware update is available for your monitor's model. That's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.